Think of stem cells as the body's master builders, the architects of life. These incredible cells are the raw materials from which all other cells with specialized functions are crafted. Today, we will talk about the advantages of stem cell therapy. This remarkable ability of stem cells to differentiate into various cell types offers a profound advantage in regenerative medicine, whether it is generating neurons to repair damaged brain tissue or producing cardiomyocytes to restore heart function. The versatility of stem cell holds immense promise for treating a myriad of degenerative diseases and injuries.
Beyond their differentiation potential, stem cells secrete bioactive molecules that modulate the immune response and promote tissue regeneration. By orchestrating a finely tuned interplay between different cell types and signaling pathways, stem cells accelerate healing and dampen inflammatory processes, thereby offering a dual therapeutic benefit in combating a wide spectrum of conditions, from acute injuries to chronic inflammatory diseases.
Autoimmune diseases arise from the immune system mistakenly attacking the body's tissue. Stem cells hold promise in reprogramming or modulating the immune response to halt or reverse these destructive processes, whether through immune modulation, tissue regeneration, or inducing immune tolerance. Stem cell-based therapies offer a tantalizing prospect of restoring immune homeostasis and alleviating the symptoms of autoimmune condition, potentially offering long-term remission or even reversal of the disease.
Unlike many medical treatments relying on scarce resources, stem cells offer a virtually limitless supply. Stem cells can be cultured and expanded in vitro to generate an abundant source of therapeutic cells. This renewable nature not only ensures the scalability and accessibility of stem cell therapies, but also reduces ethical concerns associated with their use, making them a sustainable solution for meeting the growing demands of regenerative medicine. At Regenerative, we invite you to trust us for all your stem cell therapy needs. It's not just a treatment, it's a transformative experience. We are here to guide you every step of the way. Discover the secret of living with Regenerative.